A demonstration demanding the reinstatement of Professor Harun Mengech as Chief Executive of the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. Medical Services Minister Professor Anyang Nyong'o sent Mengech on terminal leave on the 7th of March, shortly after cancelling the results of interviews conducted in his absence for the recruitment of a successor to Mengech. Nyong'o appointed Senior Deputy Director Dr. Omar Ali as acting CEO for the 3 months pending fresh interviews. The 3 months expire next Wednesday with no word from the minister. Mosop Member of Parliament David Koech had on Thursday sought an explanation from the minister regarding the fate of Professor Mengech.
Workers on contract, they are actually doing profiling, and a very interesting thing that's going to happen, Mr. Speaker, is that there is a directive that before the renewal of their contracts, Mr. Speaker, they must have a break.
Wengi wamepewa barua ya kuachishwa kazi.
I do not believe, therefore, Mr. Speaker, that when a CEO either goes on leave, falls sick, or dies, that government institutions collapse.
The minister told Parliament he was not in a position to give a statement then, but promised to do so on the 7th of June, that is the coming Tuesday.
My senior officials in the ministry are not there. They are in a meeting in Geneva, and the chairman is in the US of the board. And therefore, I cannot bring to this House an incompetent statement.
Can the minister then consider giving an undertaking that a status quo will be maintained until that statement is given?
The minister made no such undertaking, perhaps feeling anxiety that has been growing at the hospital since March. At one point, police had to move into the hospital to investigate leaflets that threatened a deputy director with death if he did not leave the institution. Professor Mengech has been director since 1999 March and has served for 2 terms of 5 years each with an extension contract of 2 years. Anso Mwendia, KTN Prime.